If Leonardo AI is showing an internal error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick step-by-step fix that usually solves the problem fast. This is especially useful if the platform is stuck, failing to load properly, or giving you an error when you try to generate images. And before we get into it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, click your profile avatar in the bottom left corner of the sidebar panel, then click Log Out. This helps reset your current session and clears any temporary login issues that may be causing the error. Next, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. That opens the browser history panel, where you can clear out stored data that may be interfering with Leonardo AI. Make sure you clear your cookies and cached images and files, and set the time range to the last 24 hours. This is important because recent cache or cookie conflicts are often the reason the platform keeps throwing an internal error. After that, open an incognito or private window by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and N. Then go back to the Leonardo AI platform and log in again from the private window. Using an incognito session gives you a clean browser state and can bypass any extension or cache issues from your normal session. If you uploaded a reference image in the image generation canvas, delete any uploaded image assets from the generation queue. Sometimes a broken or unsupported reference file can trigger the error, so removing it can instantly fix the problem. Now, click your browser's extension toolbar icon at the top right of your screen and check whether any ad blockers or strict privacy shields are active. If you're using tools like uBlock Origin or other privacy extensions, disable them for the Leonardo.ai domain. These extensions can block scripts, cookies, or requests that Leonardo AI needs in order to function properly. Once you've done all of that, refresh the page and try your generation again. In many cases, one of these steps will clear the internal error and get Leonardo AI working normally again. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.